News Hunger, MC Latin Hela as usual. Today I'm gonna bring you these guys who changed that song for Bobi Wine to Kinyarwanda. You understand? This is what we have been waiting for. This is what you wanted all along. Yes, boss. How are you?
I'm very okay. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Corona distance.
I understand. You're making the meaning of the song. So guys, today these are the guys who changed the song of His Excellency Bobi Wine to Kinyarwanda. So I'm with them. I'm going to give them some simple questions so we understand how they get the passion of changing the name to Kinyarwanda. Yes. Whom should I begin with?
Any of us.
Any of us. Okay. You can first tell us your names. Yeah.
My name is Mr. Africa. I'm an artist. Yeah. Banyarwanda. Iyi ndirimbo iyi ndwara irica abantu tugomba gukorera hamwe n'abayobozi bacu iyi ndwara tuzayigoba hanyuma umva neza aka karirimbo Emma turirimbemo wumve neza kuntu twayibise neza kabisa. Coronavirus killing you. Coronavirus spreading over mankind. Everybody must be alive.
It's a greater pandemic we can never take for granted.
Wese dukorere hamwe.
Indwara ya corona ni mwichini siravandi.
Umuntu wese agomba kumenya.
It's a greater pandemic we can never take for granted.
Urakibuka?
Yes, thank you for that beautiful song. The song is very nice. I think even you can hear the way the guys are sounding it. It's very massive. So boss, yeah, if I'm to ask, were you allowed to change the song to Kinyarwanda, or you just changed it for your own?
Nshimira umuyobozi wacu Bobi Wine aka Kyagulanyi Ssentamu yaduhaye uburenganzira guhimbira indirimbo tuyishyire mu Kinyarwanda. Hanyuma yo kumenya kenshi abantu mu Uganda ntabwo bazi Ikigande n'Icyongereza, atubwira ko tuyihindure tuyishyire mu Kinyarwanda kugira ngo abantu bose bamenye ubutumwa buri iyi ndirimbo.
Yes, according to the man, what he has said has just told us that he changed the song according to the president of Rwanda, who told it, who
Uganda, Bobi Wine?
Yeah, no, for Uganda, Bobi Wine. Yeah.
He gave us the permission.
Yes, he's saying that he gave him the permission to change the song to Kinyarwanda. So before we go very far, I want to ask you, because I heard the president of Rwanda telling us over social media that the one who will change the song to Kinyarwanda will be given money. Hope you have the money you're going to give me. Give me the money, boss.
Hanyuma yuko hindura indirimbo mu Kinyarwanda.
Yes.
Neza twumvise natwe kubera ari umuyobozi.
Yeah.
Umuyobozi wacu umusaza yavuze ko umuntu wese agomba guhindura indirimbo kwishyira mu Kinyarwanda yumvikane neza, azafatana nawe mu ntoki. Icyo kintu dutekereza none, ariko kibazo coronavirus arabyanga, sinzi ko tutabigenza. But all in all, the song is done. It is on international level. It has gone viral.
So my viewer may want to know who produced the song.
Right now,
yeah,
you contact straight in the studio. We are going down in the studio. We just parked in here, and we're going straight to the studio to check out that the producer himself, called one and only Derek Pro. I'm here with Emas Pro. Emas, the one and only. So we are going to meet our man in the studio right here.
Okay. I think you have heard from him. You have heard from the man who changed the song of Bobi Wine, His Excellency, to Kinyarwanda now, because the song is going viral. That's why I had that passion to look for these guys to tell me more, and I'm still asking a lot of questions. But I asked the question, you never answered me. I asked you that, have you received the money yet from the president? Okay.
We just do.
No, you wait, because according to what I heard, what I saw, the president came out himself telling the whole world that, guys, whoever changes this song to Kinyarwanda, I will be giving him or her money. So I think you have already changed the song to Kinyarwanda.
The song is done. His Excellency, now the song is everywhere and it has gone viral. So we're waiting to shake hands with you, though coronavirus cannot allow us to do it. So, but still, we are waiting for that to meet His Excellency.
Yeah. So before the end of the show, let me first ask these guys to sing more, to sing it again, so that we should hear. Then we end the show. Guys, I think you should sing for me. You should sing for the nation. Oh, for the whole
Sing
world.
for him, sing for him.
Coronavirus sweeping over mankind.
Abantu twese tugomba